Hello, I'm Max, and today I'm going to show you how to recreate the sound effects from Poltergeist. So first things first, we're going to need to have an audio file of some sort. This can be your voice, this can be a friend's voice, or pretty much any other sound that you'd like to add this effect to. Today I've decided to go with a recording of myself saying hello in a creepy voice. Here it is. Hello. So the first thing that we're going to need to do with this audio file is reverse it. I'm using Ableton Live 9, so this step is pretty easy. But you should be able to do this in any DAW that you're working in. I'll make sure that the audio file is selected, then I'll move down below and click the reverse button. Once again, Ableton makes this really easy, but if you can't figure out how to do it in your own DAW, just do a quick Google search of how to reverse a track. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to move on to the next step and add reverb to our track. Okay. We're going to want a pretty big reverb for this, so I'm going to increase the decay time. And then, I'm also going to bring up the size of the room. Okay, let's listen to it. Alright, now that we have that, our next step is to print this to a new track. So create the new track. And we're going to make it so that the output of our first track can go into the input of our new track. Ableton Live makes this process pretty easy, but if you're using a different DAW, you can create a bus and send the audio to the new track that way. Okay, once this is done, we're ready to print our audio file to the new track with the additional effects we added to it. We just need to record enable the new track, then we'll hit record. Okay, now I'm going to disable the old track. Now, with our new audio track, we're going to add a little bit of delay. I'm going to use the ping pong delay because it gives us a cool little panning effect along with the delay. I'm going to turn down the feedback and also the dry wet so that we don't get ping pong forever. Let's hear it. Okay, now, once again, we're going to print our audio to a new track. Make sure your busing is correct. Record enable your new track. Then, we will print the audio and the added effects to that new track. Alright, now we can disable track number 2 and put it away. Now we're almost done. Our last step in this process is to take our newest audio file and flip it in reverse like we did with our very first audio file. Okay, now we should be able to hear the words I said in the very first audio file. Okay, and that is how you create the scary voice effect from Poltergeist. Thanks for watching, I'm Max, and feel free to like and subscribe.